Hi, welcome back to Beth and Kiana's Lockdown Kitchen. Today we're going to be making a coconut vegetable curry.
So you're going to start off with your blender. You're going to put 4 cloves of garlic, 1 onion, 2 chillies, 3 tomatoes and a piece of ginger that is no bigger than your thumb.
There we go, we're going to put all that into there and we're going to put in
2 teaspoons of cumin. A teaspoon of coriander, ground coriander. And a teaspoon of turmeric.
Okay, once everything's in the blender, what we're going to do is we're going to give it a quick blitz and we're going to make it into a paste.
You're going to put a pan on medium heat, and once you've done that, you're going to put a glug of olive oil into the pan. And once you've done that, you're going to spin the pan around so the oil covers the whole surface. Almost of it.
Then what we're going to do is we're going to get our paste that we've made and we're going to pop that into the pan. We're going to actually put most of it into the pan. We're going to reserve some for putting on some chicken later, because we're going to add some chicken to this, but right now we're making it and it's vegetarian, well it's actually vegan. So what we're going to do is we are going to let all that lovely lot sizzle round in the pan. Kind of, can you give that a bit of a mix for me?
Yeah.
We're going to now add in some salt, a sprinkle of salt. We can always add more salt later if we need it. We're going to add in some pepper. So that's the base of our curry.
We are now putting our veg into the pan. The veg that we have got is 1 courgette, 1 pepper, a handful of beans, half a cauliflower and a handful of rainbow chard.
So what we're going to do now is we're going to coat all this beautiful veg in this paste. So we'll make sure we try and cover all of it. Okay, and I mentioned earlier that we're going to be having chicken with ours. So what I would do at this point is I would get my chicken pieces out and I would put some gloves on because there's quite a lot of chili heat in this. As you can see, it's making our eyes water. And I would coat the chicken really, really well, and I'd probably put it back in the fridge for about 30 minutes just so that it kind of all goes into the chicken and it marinates, and it'll be really tasty later. And then what I do is I bring that chicken out and I put it under the grill so it goes nice and crispy on both sides, and then I would add it into this mixture. So right of now what we're going to do is we are going to add in our coconut milk. All the water.
This is 2 tins of coconut milk.
So what we've done is Kiana has squeezed 1 whole lemon. We like our lemons here. So we're going to add the lemon in, give it a bit of zing, and we're also going to add in a bunch of coriander to give it a little bit more flavour. And then what we're going to do is we are just going to stir that round. And that is going to stay on the heat now for a good 20 minutes. Just let all those spices take hold of everything and let the veg cook down. You don't want to overcook the veg. It's nice to have a little bit of bite in your veg. So yeah. So that's what we're going to do, and we're going to come back after and we are going to make some flatbreads, and James will be joining us. So we'll see you in a bit. what we're doing now is we're going to make our super tasty, super speedy, delicious flatbread. So what you've got is you've got 350 grams of self-raising flour, 350 grams of natural yogurt, and then we're going to add into that the flour. We're going to add in 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So all that goes into there, and then that all gets mixed round.
We've got our flatbreads all nicely prepared, and what we've done here is put some olive oil into the pan and moved it around so it covers the whole surface.
And what we're going to do is we need to wait for that olive oil to get nice and hot. So we've got it on a medium heat. So we are going to pop in our 2 flatbreads really carefully and let those start cooking. And we're going to turn that up just a little bit, just being aware that obviously we don't want anything to overcook or burn. So what we've done is we've prepared some butter with some garlic and a bit of coriander. We've melted that down, and we're just going to add that onto our flatbreads just to give them a little bit more flavour. That recipe that we've given you makes approximately 12 flatbreads, but it depends. You could make more and have them a bit smaller, or you could have them bigger. So depending on what you like. Just pop that down there. Okay, now the flatbreads, as you can see, are beautiful and golden and all ready. And so what we'll do is we're going to pop them onto the plate, and we're just going to pop them there. And here's our delicious healthy curry that we've made with our flatbreads.
I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. If you have, then don't forget to like, and if you're new to our channel, subscribe.
And click the notification bell.
Bye!